Now came back from a ride. There is someone who asked me why you went at such an extreme. You went through. I said when I gave this detail that they run a prostitution racket and I went into their prostitution racket as well. They were like, it's like a sting operation. Why did you do this? And I didn't know it was a sting operation. I just wanted to expose these are prostitutes who are doing this extortion. Huh? They were like, "Why did you do this at such a level? You did it by yourself, or anyone supported?" No, I did it by myself. He was like, "Oh, what have you done?" Huh? They were like, "At such a level, why did you go? Oh, why did you select this to expose the minister, the scam and everything?" Well, they decided in me. I would have been living in US or somewhere else, or I would have been doing research on Bermuda Triangle somewhere, or finding Atlantis somewhere. Huh? They they grabbed me. They selected me, so I have to answer them. He was like, "You went this far?" I was like, "Yeah, of course I went this far." So it was shocking for the fellow who was listening to this, and he was like, "You." So that's the pattern of my work. Even bloodbath didn't stop me. Even bloodbath didn't stop me. Still, I'm fucking working on the same case. Huh? I have to look. Sometimes it feels better when you do the right thing, and I am doing the right thing. They decided to come after me. Now I have to answer them. Huh? I didn't ask them to come after me. They decided, so I have to answer them, right? No matter what it takes.